with a new topic, algebraic expressions. So, first of all, let's just start this chapter by defining some terms and then let's get into the chapter. First of all, the basic definitions we need to know. So, what is an algebraic expression? In the previous grade, maybe you have learned what a variable and a constant is, but we recap. Then you learn new terms, factors, like terms, unlike terms, many things. So are you ready to get started? Yeah. So let's get started. First one, what is an algebraic expression? So an algebraic expression is the combination of constants and variables. We use operations like addition, subtraction, etc. to form an algebraic expression. And what would be the example of an algebraic expression? So they have told a combination of constants and variables. So let us take 4xy using operations. Okay, 4xy plus 3ab, 4xy plus 3ab. So, what is the variable here? 4xy. A variable does not have fixed value. It is varied and it is represented by letters like x, y, b, a, c, etc. So 4xy plus 3ab. 4xy, xy are the variables and 3ab, ab are the variables. Constant. A constant has a fixed value. And one more thing, the numbers or whatever represented which is not a variable in an algebraic expression, it can be a constant. So in the expression 4xy plus 3ab, what are the constants? 4 and 3 because they have a fixed value. To form an expression, we use constants and variables, right? Yeah. And separate them using the operations like addition, subtraction, etc. True. These parts of the expressions which we separate using operations are called terms. So now I have given the expression 4xy plus 3ab. So when we separate them using the operation, it is 4xy and 3ab. So 4xy is one term, 3ab is second term. So in the expression 4xy plus 3ab, how many terms do we have? We have two terms, 4xy and 3ab. Both are different terms. Every term is the product of its factors. Yeah, that is true. As in the above expression which I gave, okay, the term 4x is the product of 4 and x. Yeah, 4xy. 4 and x, product of their, right? So the factors of 4x. So 4 and x are the factors of the term. These are factors. Now we will learn some more definitions. Every term is the product of its factor. So now if I give an expression 4x, the term 4x is the product of 4x. So 4x are the factors of that term. So this thing, I think it is a bit difficult for you. That's why I have read it again and I have mentioned it again. What their exactly meaning is, okay, let us forget x. Let us take 4 and 1. So 4 and 1 are the factors of their both, right? Means they have their own factors, but they will include 2 and all. But here we use variables. So variable x and 4. So what would be the factor for them? Both of them itself. Yes. So I hope you understood this definition. Yeah. As you can see above that some of the factors are numerical and some are algebraic. Yeah, you saw 4 is numerical, x is algebraic. That contains variable. The numerical factor of the term is called the numerical coefficient of the term. So now let me explain this to you in a simpler way. Let me take an expression like 4x plus 5y. Now here you can tell me, now what is mentioned here, that the numerical factor of that particular term. Now 4x. In 4x the numerical factor is what? 4 and x is the variable. So that particular 4 is the numerical coefficient of the term. I will explain you what is a coefficient in a simpler way. Let me explain it to you that what is a coefficient in a simpler way. Just give me a moment. So, the numerical factor of a term is said to be the numerical coefficient or simply a coefficient of that term. So in 4x, the numerical means the number containing 1. So numerical coefficient number is what? 4. X is algebraic. So that 4 is the coefficient of the whole term. Simple, right? Yeah. So now, there are types of expressions. I mean like monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. I hope you know, and if you don't know, yeah, this may be new to you. Let me tell you what these are in simple basic words. Monomial, yes, not mononomial, monomial, yes. Monomial is an expression which has only one term. So, binomial, an expression which has two unlike terms. Trinomial, an expression which has three unlike terms. Polynomial, an expression which has one or more terms. It can contain number of terms, yes. And one more thing let me tell you. Please pronounce them properly. Even I said mononomial, no, monomial, yes. Binomial, trinomial, polynomial, yes. So monomial is an expression which has only one term. Binomial is an expression which has two unlike terms. Lot of difference between term, unlike term, like term. Trinomial, three unlike terms. Polynomial, number of terms, it varies whether it's it's a like or unlike term. Now, I'm telling from so much time, like and unlike terms. What are they basically? We will learn now. So, in algebra, the like terms are defined as the terms that contain the same variable which is raised to the same power. Why I am telling here power? You will learn this in further in exponents and powers actually. See, power is basically the square, x square and all that, yeah. x3, all that it's written right on the top and telling it in your language guys. So that is basically power. So like terms are where the terms contain the same variable and same power. In algebraic like terms, only the numerical coefficients can vary. Yeah, only they can vary, not the variables, only the numerical coefficients, which is the numbers. We can combine the like terms to simplify the algebraic expressions so that the result of the expression can be obtained very easily. Now let me give you an example. 4x plus 10x is an algebraic expression with like terms. Write x. In order to simplify the algebraic expression, we can add the like terms. Thus, the simplification of the given expression is 14x. 4 plus arithmetic operations or like terms. Okay, algebraic terms which do not have the same literal coefficients and cannot be raised to the same power are called unlike terms. For example, 4x plus 9y in an algebraic expression with unlike terms, because it has two different variables x and y, it cannot be raised to the same power and it is difficult to perform arithmetic operations on them. So how to subtract, add and all, we will discuss later on. I hope you understood. Thank you.